Yeah, we're doing part 2 right now. So, this is part 2. I was outside earlier. Let's see what time it is. This was one of the cars that I cleaned on earlier right here. And look at the sidewalk. Let's see what time. Blizzard over the touch-up TV. We in the streets of Brooklyn, New York. Which, look at Mom's car, how it looking again. Done clean that on. Look at Pops right here. He now coming home from work. Let's see what time it is. The roads, remember earlier at least you could see. So this is all left where people walking. That's how the car look right now. See, that is all the snow. That is all the snow. And we just started right now. Is what? That's 7, like minutes to 7. Right now it's minutes to 7. So I'll go and do this video as part 2 and let people see what outside look like. Look, streets is crazy already. Everybody, nobody even want to move. None of that. Look. We in ghost stuff, man. Look. Let me just clear out our section so you will see. See? That is how much snow that. Alright, then. Mad.
Say, yo, touch it up. Touch it up. Yo, this is Marshall Montano HD. We say big up Touch Up TV. Every time, #1, series strong. Hip! Ha!
It's a Ronnie. You don't know right now I'm representing Touch Up TV. You see it? I'm say you don't know it's an online thing. So I'm say in this time and in this city, Touch Up make that money because mama still hungry. Mama still hungry. It's a Ronnie representing Touch Up TV.